Up next will be our junior animal, A Main. Here we go. Starting on a pole. Out of Springfield, Illinois, last night's feature winner, it'll be Brenton Patterson. On the outside in car number 7, out of Taylorville, Illinois, it'll be the 7, Mila Gregory. In row number 2 on the inside of Lincoln, Illinois, in car number 14, it'll be Logan Coaster. And on the outside in car number 17, also from Illinois, it'll be Cole Jones. The junior animal A Main will be the battle of the Illinois as they come out. Paul Sitter trying to sweep the weekend here in the junior animal division. Brenton Patterson, Mila Gregory, your front row, green flag in the air. Patterson with a great start, taking lap number 1. Mila Gregory in second. The 17 of Cole Jones in third. 2 laps in, Brenton Patterson still your leader. Four laps in, Patterson out in front. Trying to extend the lead from Mila Gregory. Cole Jones sitting out third spot. And Logan Coaster in fourth. White flag in the air for Brenton Patterson. Checkered flag in the air. Brenton Patterson sweeping the junior animal Lowe's I-44 winner shootout.